To connect Sony WH-1000XM5 into your Android phone, first of all, you will have to find power button, which is located right here, and you will have to start by pressing this button when your headphones are turned off. Now keep holding until this indicator starts blinking quickly, just like this. It means that right now you are in pairing mode. So you will have to grab your phone, and we've got two ways how we can connect these headphones. First of all, just go straight into your build settings, click to pair new device, and from available devices, select your Sony headphones, accept pairing. Now, after a few seconds, when you are successfully connected, you can go into Google Play Store and download this application, so you will be able to get access into more features of this device. So click to open. Now you will have to select the origin and click here to read the contents and agree. Click start. Scroll all the way down if you want to read this. In my case, I'm just gonna click here, tap to agree and start using, and click OK. Now accept all of these permissions that will pops on your screen, and now you will have to wait for the connection. And as you can see right now, we are automatically connected. Right here we can sign in into Sony account. I'm gonna do this later. Right here we can restore data if you actually purchase this device from second hand. In my case, I'm gonna continue without restoring any data. Click next, tap later, click later, click next. Right now we can set up 360 audio, but you don't have to. You can also do this later. Click to go to my device, and as you can see now we are successfully connected.